Hello, what's goody? It's your girl Brie MH back at it again with another video. So in this video, it's a tutorial. I'm showing you guys how to do the shake effect on iPhone. So you're gonna need 𝐃𝐀𝐃𝐄 and iMovie, obviously. So you're gonna open 𝐃𝐀𝐃𝐄. I was already doing this before, so don't mind this portion of the video. Yeah, so you open 𝐃𝐀𝐃𝐄 and you're going to go and open a basic file, basic presentation. So it can be black, white, whatever one you want to choose. I always choose the black one. Don't know why, I just do. So once you have that open, you're going to delete all the stuff that's already on the slide. Then you're going to click these three dots, up in the right hand corner. And then you're going to slide down to where it says document setup. Click that. Then you're going to click slide size. Okay, slide size. Now you're gonna go to custom. You're gonna put in the custom width 1280 by 720. That's what I use. I'm not sure if that's correct or not, but it's what works for me. So yeah. All right, now you are going to add in the video clip that you would like to jiggle. Don't watch what's in my camera roll. So yeah, this is the video that I'm choosing to go with, whatever. Now you gotta, do what you gotta do. Do you guys really need me to talk right now? Like, you could just watch and see. Just resize it so it matches up with the black part. Now you're gonna click animate. All right, at the bottom, you're gonna click add action, go to jiggle. And then you're gonna click where it says jiggle at the bottom and adjust the duration of how long you want the jiggle to take place. So most likely you're gonna make it as long as the clip is, right? So the whole clip will jiggle. You can change the intensity. And then you're gonna make sure that where it says start, on the right hand side, it says on tap. On the computer, it would say with build 1, but for some reason on the iPhone, it doesn't say that. So you just make sure that it's on tap. Not after build 1, on tap. So that's what it should look like for you. Okay, then you click the X. And now you're going to screen record on your phone. I'm already screen recording, so I can't screen record a screen recording. But what you're gonna do is turn on your screen record so that you can screen record this part. So click the play button. And then you're going to tap so the video starts. And then you're going to tap again so that the jiggle starts. Do you understand? I hope you understand. You have to tap twice. One tap for the movie, one tap for the jiggle. And there you go. Now your video clip is jiggling. Ah. So now that you have that screen recording, you can turn off the screen recording and it will be in your camera roll. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like in my camera roll. That's it, jiggling. Perfect. So now you're gonna go into iMovie where you have your video. I chopped up where I got that clip from. Right there. I detached the audio too, but that's not actually necessary because your screen recording will have the audio. So what you need to do is now go into your camera roll again on iMovie and insert your video. So just add your video onto the iMovie timeline. And then you just have to chop it and screw it until you get to the part where it's jiggling. So what I do is split and delete all of that extra garbage. You could actually do that in your camera roll as well. You don't necessarily have to do this on iMovie. I'm just showing you guys what I did. So just scroll until you find the part where it starts to jiggle, split it, and then delete the extra shit. And then once again, split and delete. So I realized I don't know how to rotate this image in iMovie, so I actually had to go out back into my camera roll and rotate it in my camera roll. So yeah, I did that off camera, so hopefully you guys know how to do that. I hope so. Okay, so there's the clip rotated and just the portion that's jiggling. So I'm just playing it so that you guys can see that it is jiggling. That intensity is kind of crazy. But yeah, now what I'm doing here is just I removed that clip, like the portion of it where it's not jiggling, and I slide in my clip that is jiggling where it's supposed to be. But I have to go in and like clip, like I don't know how to explain this, but you just have to go in and make sure that it lines up accurately, like with what you're saying, you know what I mean? So I'm just gonna adjust that a little bit so that that clip smoothly runs into the part where it jiggles. See? You can see that my words just flow right into each other. I do the same for the other end as well. And that's how it's done, basically. Yep, there you have it. How to do the jiggle shake effect thingy on iPhone. Hope this was helpful to somebody out there. You guys have been asking for it, so yeah. Have a good one. Thank you for watching. Bye.